Hello and welcome to this edition of the Fintech Futures Report. The UK regulator Financial Conduct Authority has issued a letter to CEOs of non-bank firms demanding they make it clear they are not banks. The FCA says in the letter, "We are still concerned that many e-money firms are not adequately disclosing the differences in protections between their services and traditional banking." In particular, it cites that the Financial Services Compensation Scheme does not apply to non-bank firms. This means cash stored with e-money firms isn't insured to the same extent it is by the bank. Companies have 6 weeks to write to their customers to make it clear how their money is protected, and they must separate this notice from any other messaging or promotional activity. The communication must be clear, fair, and not misleading, the FCA states. The FCA isn't the only regulator reining in non-bank firms. Last month, France's Prudential Control and Resolution Authority issued a statement that the term neobank must necessarily qualify a credit institution. It must specifically call out payment institutions and electronic money issuers, as well as their agents and distributors. The regulator also said that those who continue to mislead customers into thinking they are a credit institution are punishable by 3 years imprisonment and a fine of €375,000. American Express has been handed a £90,000 fine by the UK's Information Commissioner's Office for sending 4 million unsolicited marketing emails to customers. Between the 1st of June 2018 and the 21st of May 2019, American Express Services Europe sent more than 50 million emails. According to ICO, over 4 million of these counted as unwanted marketing emails designed to encourage customers to make purchases on their cards that would benefit Amex financially. These subscribers had not provided adequate consent to receive such content. Amex was in breach of its interpretation of the UK's privacy and electronic communications regulations. Not only had it not reviewed its marketing model following customer complaints, but it rejected those complaints, saying the emails were servicing ones and not marketing or promotional. Andy Curry, ICO's investigations head, calls Amex arguments groundless. He describes the incident as a clear example of a company getting it wrong, and adds that Amex is now facing the reputational consequences of that error. Well, that's all for this edition of the Fintech Futures Report. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you all again very soon indeed. Until then, goodbye.